What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant BSOD after latest update error that is happening for many users and how we can fix this error. So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first one is all about, just go over here, search for the settings. Now click on this one. Now from here navigate to the Windows update. Now from here if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called advanced option. Now we have to scroll down and there is an option called optional updates. Select this one. Now if you drop down this arrow, you can see I'm having two available downloads, that is Dell for the monitor and this one is for the system. So I have to update, download and install both these drivers. So these are actually my BIOS, so I have to do this. So BIOS firmware should be up to date in order to fix this particular issue. If you don't find this, you have to find what is your motherboard and you have to update it manually from the Google Chrome by searching your model number and all those things. After downloading it, while you're installing, you have to make sure one thing, the P core ratio should be less than 54 and the XMP profile should be off or either automatic, and also the SVM mode should be completely turned off. That's an important one. Next one, just go over here, search for the Windows security, click on this one. Now from here in the Windows security, we have to navigate to device security. Now go to core isolation. Now if it is turned off, we have to turn this on. That memory integrity, not memory integrity, just go back. The core isolation, this should be completely turned on. If it is turned off, we have to turn this on. That's an important one. And also it is very important that we have to click on this one or else we'll be having a lot of trouble. So make sure that you have to go to device security and turn on, click on the core isolation, make sure the memory integrity should be turned on. So these are the steps and it is a quick video. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.